In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Gmail customer care. Now, whether you're facing a technical issue or simply need a bit of guidance with your Gmail account, reaching out for help is easier than you might think. So let's go through the steps together. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and visiting support.google.com. This is where the magic happens. Google Support is your central hub for resolving all kinds of issues related to Gmail and other Google applications. Once you're on the website, you'll see a variety of support options available. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page, as it can be a great resource for solving many common problems. Next, take a look at the list of applications available. Since we're focusing on Gmail today, go ahead and select Gmail from this list. This will ensure that any help you receive is tailored specifically to Gmail related queries. This step is essential because each Google product has its own specific set of support options and guidance. Once you've clicked on Gmail, you'll be directed to a page where you can describe your issue in a search field. This is where the system can help you find the most relevant support articles or FAQs. Be as specific as possible when you type your issue, as the more precise you are, the more accurate the help results will be. For instance, instead of saying email problem, describe exactly what's going wrong, like emails not sending. Alternatively, if you prefer browsing through existing content, look for the Browse Topics option. Clicking here will give you a list of popular issues and solutions. This can be particularly handy if you're not quite sure how to phrase your problem, or you want to explore potential solutions you hadn't considered. Another valuable option is posting your question to the help community. Often, users just like you have encountered similar issues and may have helpful insights or solutions. To do this, simply click on Post to the help community. You might be surprised at how quickly you receive responses, and it can also be a great way to see what others with similar challenges are experiencing. And there you have it. With these steps, you should feel more confident navigating the Google support system to find the help you need with your Gmail account. Remember, the key to resolving issues efficiently is to be as clear and detailed as possible about your situation. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you get your Gmail problem sorted out soon. Thanks for watching, and good luck.